Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Now for anyone who watched yesterday's review of the Lies deck, which is part of the set, this is actually being recorded straight afterwards. I couldn't wait. I really enjoyed the Lies deck and I really wanted to get into the truth of the matter. So yeah, I gave you a quick overview on the last one, but it just says I'll take it out first. The reflection from the cellophane makes it really hard to read. And actually, it's a lot more of like a grey, bluey colour. Once you get rid of this, I'm going to pause again because I couldn't get into this last time. And we are in. Here we are. Now you'll be able to see from this tilt here, lies require commitment. And that's embossed into the case, which is really, really cool. So now the difference between the truth and lies is actually there's quite a large border around this. It isn't featured on the cards, whereas this one doesn't have that border. So I'm presuming this is what the back looks like, because the back on the Lies deck is kind of the same as this almost, but in whiter colours. So we've got there Murphy's Magic Supplies, barcode, cool little crest. Let's get in there and have a look. There's nothing on the inside of these. This is like a corrugated feel to it. It looks almost like cardboard. You can see that there on the camera, which is pretty cool. On the inside of the... keep getting them mixed up. This is the truth. On the inside of the Lies one, there was a little design inside the tuck case, but I mean, they may be from different batches. So, continued from the last review, the ace, the pips, the indices, and the pips are all very, very cool in these, and I love the font. That is so nice. There's a lot of words in there just added together to make up that word truth. Now, I really like that. I'll leave it there for a sec so you can have a quick look if you want to pause it and read it. So again, same as the Lies. Still very, very nice. Same colours. The silver and gold. And same design. Now these are different. The red suits were a sort of golden colour, and on this one they're like a silvery blue. But I mean, it's still very, very nice. Yeah, that's really popping. I really like that. Really nice colours. Yeah, so cool. This colouring is just so good. I think I prefer it to the golden one of the Lies deck. And then we got Truth. There's no beauty in truth. Again. Double backer. And then a blank facer. Very cool. I like that about the fact that these are from Murphy's Magic, because they sell a lot of magical props and things. So they include cards that you can use for tricks, which are very, very cool. So here into the back, it is almost exactly the same as the Lies deck, but the colouring is very, very different. And as I said, this sort of really represents the back of the tuck case, whereas the one for the Lies didn't. But I mean, it doesn't matter. They're a set. I don't know whether they're sold like this or whether they're sold differently, but they're just an elegant, really nice looking deck, guys. I'm impressed, as I mentioned in the last one, and I couldn't wait to get these open. But they're just really nice cards. I'd really like to know who produced them. I mean, looking at the side tuck, they're very similar feel to a couple of other decks I've got, but they're produced by different producers, so different manufacturers. So it's hard for me to narrow it down. It doesn't actually say on there. There's no advertising card for it. So unless Murphy's Magic are producing these themselves, which if they are, awesome. If they're not, I might try and hit them up and find out exactly who made it for them. But it's a very, very nice deck. I love the sort of corrugated feel to this. The hidden messages in the embossing. I mean, you can't really see that unless you're looking for it, which is really cool. But yeah, I was a massive fan of the Lies deck. I'm a massive fan of this Truth deck, and what a set, guys! If I thoroughly recommend them. They are, I know they're available from playingcarddex.com because that's where I got them. I think they're about $8.99 for the set of two. So if you're interested, yeah, check them out. I'm a big fan. I like them a lot. I like the indices and I love the font. So what more could I ask for? Good job, Murphy's Magic. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.